This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. True North Edition for crew cabin. Double cab includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster with AZ3, bench seat only, CJ2, dual zone climate control, BTV, remote vehicle starter system, C49, rear window defogger and KI4, 110-volt power outlet. Includes Z82, trailering package, G80, locking differential and TEU, LED front fog lamps. N37, manual tilt and telescopic steering column included with L83 5.3 liters EcoTec3 V8 engine or 5.3 liters EcoTec3 V8 engine. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking. STD, trailering package includes trailer hitch, 7-pin and 4-pin connectors. Includes G80, locking rear differential. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 features the following options: seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, available in cloth or leather. Includes driver and front passenger recline with outboard head restraints and center fold-down armrest with storage. Also includes manually adjustable driver lumbar, lockable storage compartment and seat cushion, and storage pockets. STD includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster with PCM, LT convenience package or PDU. True North Edition, LT Plus package includes UG1, universal home remote, UV7, rear park assist, JF4, power adjustable pedals, A48, rear sliding power window, C49, rear window defogger, rear axle, 3.42 ratio. LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. LPO, black pack includes SEW, 22 5-spoke high-gloss black wheels with machined accents. LPO, RVS, 4-round black tubular assist step. LPO and SFC, black bowtie emblems. LPO, black bowtie emblems, front and rear. LPO, assist steps, 4 black round. LPO, 22, 55.9 cm. 5-spoke high-gloss black wheels with machined accents. LPO wheels will come with 4 steel 22 wheels from the factory with alignment specs set to 22. LPO wheel selected. LED lighting, cargo box with switch-on center switch back, jet black, leather pointed seat trim. Includes 10-way power driver seat. Includes KA1, driver and front passenger heated seat cushions and seat backs. Visit us today for a must-own Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3. Just minutes away.